both teams score. Both teams score. I mean, both teams score. All you need is 1-1 goal on both teams. Both teams score, man, you are good to go. So let's get started. Download this Excel sheet. It's HowTv news prediction, both teams to score. You're going to see it on the link below the description. Download it, and also you will see this www.prosoccer.gr. You will see it also. You just click on it, or you can also just type it on your web browser. Then you are good to go. You will be here. You will see a lot of games that is for that day, or you can just scroll down and you will see the days. So this is Saturday game, Saturday 15 September 2018, and I'm going to show you how to win every day. Win big, man, every day. So now this is a predict prop %1. That means the home prediction. This is the draw, this is away, this is the tip, this is over 2.5 goals, and this is final score. Now listen, make sure whatever team that you are looking at for, make sure that they have these numbers. For example, here we are looking at for 46